Hello friends, how are you? Today I want to explain the this dress. This is a very small dress, but the measurement is very big. So it's a double XL size, and I want to tell you to this measurement. It's in centimeter. Some of my followers asking me how to convert this one to in inches. So I am telling you now this is how you can convert the measurement. Okay, first of all, the length is 80 centimeter, 80 centimeter, which is the 31.5 inches length. Then the body's length is 3 centimeter, 19 centimeter, and 23 centimeter. If you plus this all, this one is a 46 centimeter. Okay, 46 centimeter, which means the body length is 18 inches. Body length is 18 inches. And the round neck the round neck front is a 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter means 7.5 inches. And the 23 centimeter down the round neck, below the round neck, is a distance. It's a 23 centimeter. 23 centimeter is a 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches. And after that, the shoulder is a 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means 15.5 inches, 15 and a half inches. It's a shoulder, 20 centimeter. The bust line is a 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter come to the in inches, 9.75 inches. Okay, 9.75 inches, 25 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. It's a bust line. And waistline also is a 23 centimeter. 23 centimeter, it's come to in inches, it's 9 inches. 9 inches means it's if you do the double measurement, then it's come to 9 to 9, 18, and 36 waistline. It's 36 is a double XL. Okay, after that, your bottom is a 33 centimeter. Okay, you can check this one, 33 centimeter. 33 centimeter, it's come to uh, 13 inches. 33 centimeter, 13 inches. And also the bottom line is the 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter, it's come to 48 centimeter, it's come to 19 inches. So this is the very simple dress measurement. You can do yourself. It's very easy to sew. Okay, it's a very simple. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box, and also you share my videos. Thank you.